Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom? Wouldn't hurt a fly." I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say, "I wouldn't hurt a fly," and wondered what it meant? Well, it doesn't actually mean they wouldn't physically harm a fly. It's an idiom that means someone is gentle and wouldn't hurt anyone, even a small insect like a fly. So, to summarize, the idiom "wouldn't hurt a fly" means someone is gentle and wouldn't hurt anyone, even a small insect like a fly. To remember the meaning of this idiom, think of someone who is so gentle that they wouldn't even harm a tiny fly. Let me tell you a story using the idiom "wouldn't hurt a fly." Tommy was known for being a kind-hearted person. One day, he found a fly struggling on the ground and carefully picked it up. He gently blew on the fly to help it fly away. That's the kind of person Tommy is. He wouldn't hurt a fly. Fun facts about "wouldn't hurt a fly." 1. This idiom originated in the 1800s. 2. It's often used to describe someone who is non-confrontational. 3. It's a common idiom in English and used in everyday conversations. 4. The phrase is also used in literature and film. 5. The idiom has been translated into other languages, such as French and Spanish. Example sentences using "wouldn't hurt a fly." 1. Mary is so sweet, she wouldn't hurt a fly. 2. Even though he's big and strong, John wouldn't hurt a fly. 3. I know he's angry, but he wouldn't hurt a fly. 4. She's so gentle, she wouldn't hurt a fly. 5. He's a pacifist and wouldn't hurt a fly. Original sentence using "wouldn't hurt a fly." Tommy is such a gentle soul, he wouldn't hurt a fly. Rephrased. 1. Tommy is a kind-hearted person who wouldn't hurt anyone. 2. Tommy is so gentle that he wouldn't even harm a fly. Let me share a real-life story about the impact of "wouldn't hurt a fly." I once had a student who was too shy to speak up in class. But when I told her that I knew she wouldn't hurt a fly, she felt more confident and started participating more in class. It's amazing how a simple idiom can have such a positive impact. Similar expressions to "wouldn't hurt a fly" include "a heart of gold," "gentle as a lamb," and "soft as a feather." Opposite expressions include "a loose cannon," "a bull in a china shop," and "a hothead." Related idioms that English learners should know include "kill two birds with one stone," "break a leg," and "barking up the wrong tree." Let me tell you a story using the related idiom "kill two birds with one stone." Samantha had a lot of errands to run, but she wanted to make the most of her time. So, she decided to go to the gym during her lunch break. Not only did she get her workout in, but she also ran errands near the gym. Samantha was able to kill two birds with one stone. Quiz time. Which of the following is the meaning of "wouldn't hurt a fly"? A. Someone who hates insects. B. Someone who is violent. C. Someone who is gentle. Answer, C. Wouldn't hurt a fly means someone is gentle and wouldn't hurt anyone, even a small insect like a fly. To summarize, wouldn't hurt a fly means someone is gentle and wouldn't hurt anyone, even a small insect like a fly. Remember to use idioms in context and practice using them in your conversations. We'd love to hear your story with the idiom. Please share your thoughts in the comments. And always remember, be gentle, you wouldn't hurt a fly.